Help you? Or can you carry it?
Mom, carry the basket, please. It's over here.
Okay. Don't take my picture.
Here's one.
Are you sure to bring you a lot of eggs?
Someone's hard in here.
Can we sit down and we take a picture?
After I open my Easter eggs, okay? Can I open my Easter eggs inside?
Just sit down right here.
Who's this? And this guy. Who's this trashy? That's all the stuff I have.
Wow, cool. You should bring a lot of stuff this year.